Hello everyone, welcome to the Blackboard. In this video, let us try to solve this question relating to the concepts of average and percentage. The average salary of male employees in a firm was rupees 5200 and that of female employees was rupees 4200. The mean salary of all the employees was rupees 5000. What was the percentage of female employees? So the male employees average is rupees 5200 and the female employees average is rupees 4200 and the combined average is somewhere sitting here 5000. One thing what you can understand here is the combined average is bit closer to the male employees average. So definitely the strength of male employees is more than the female employees. That is a primary interpretation that we can do, because when you have multiple groups, the group having the highest number, their average will impact the combined average because they have more power to influence the combined average. We'll try to solve this question logically. Let us just presume there are 50% males and 50% females. If 50% males are there and 50% females are there, what will be the combined average? It is the weighted average. So combined average will be 50% of 5200, 2600 plus 50% of 4200, it is 2100. Then the combined average will be 4700. But we are given with the combined average is 5000. Here mean and average are same. The combined average is 5000. If we are considering 50% male employees and 50% female employees, we are getting the average of 4700. So we want to increase the average to 5000. Definitely we should increase the group that is having the highest average to increase the overall average. So let me add 10% more. Suppose I am adding 10% more male employees in the group. If I am adding 10% more male employees, then female employees will be 10% less. So if I add 10% male employees, how much it is going to impact the average? 10% of 5200 is 520 plus. And if I am reducing the female employees by 10%, how much it is going to impact the combined average? 10% of 4200 is 420, so it is minus 420. So by adding 10% male employees and reducing 10% female employees, the overall net impact to the average is 520 minus 420, it is 100. So now the revised average will be 4800. So if I consider 60% male employees and 40% female employees, the combined average is 4800. So what I can interpret is, for every 10% increase in the male employees and 10% reduction in the female employees, the impact will be 100 positive. If I add 10 more percent here, so plus 10% more and minus 10% more, again it will be plus 100. So it will be 4900. So my target is 5000. So let me add one more 10% and minus 10%. Again it will be plus 100. Now it will reach combined average 5000. So 5000 will reach with 50% plus 10%, 60%, 70%, 80%. So here 80% male employees are there and 50% minus 10% minus 10% minus 10%. It is 20%. Basically, for every 10% increase or decrease, what is the impact if you are able to assess, and if you balance the both, you can directly solve it without much calculations. Or else if you wish to solve this problem traditionally, let us just presume the number of male employees be M and the number of female employees be F. What is the total salary of all the male employees? It is the number of employees male multiplied by its average 5200. Plus, what is the total salary of female employees? It is number of female employees F multiplied by average salary of female employees, it is 4200, divided by, so this numerator will give us the total salary of all the employees divided by total number of employees. Total number of employees will be M plus F, which is equal to the combined average 5000. So 5200 M plus 4200 F equal to 5000 M plus 5000 F, which is equal to 5200 M minus 5000 M. So it is 200 M equal to 5000 minus 4200, 800F implies M equal to 4F. So for every female employee, there are 4 male employees. Otherwise, F equal to M by 4. Got it right? For every female employee, there are 4 male employees. So if female employees are X number, then male employees will be 4X. Combined will be 5X. So what is the percentage? Percentage is nothing but the number of parts out of the total. So total is 5X. The denominator will be 5X. And we want to find the percentage of female employees. Female employees will be X multiplied by 100. So X parts out of 5X parts, that will give us the percentage, which is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 100, which is 20%. This is the traditional way to solve this question.